Foota Hype released after months of detention.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Controversial dancehall selector O'Neal Ricardo Thomas, more popularly known as Foota Hype, has been released from the US Immigration and Customs Enforcement Facility, where he has been detained since December of last year. News of the development was confirmed by the artist's manager and Foota Hype's confidant, Kerryon Townsend, who said the selector was grateful. Foota said he will do media next week. He just jumped out, so he's going to relax and think. We will know the terms of his release when we visit the attorney's office on Monday, said Townsend. Foota Hype also made a post on his Instagram page, which he captioned, "Time is the master, and the time is now." The comment was met with a flood of support and outpouring of joy from his dancehall peers and the fans. Foota was detained in December on arrival at Port Everglades Seaport aboard the ship Independence of the Seas, which had sailed from Falmouth in Jamaica, where he had been attending the Jamrock cruise. Foota Hype was detained for a further review of his travel documents and admissibility status. He had been incarcerated since that time. Townsend, following that development, said she made a plea to Jamaicans to lobby for his release given the infiltration of the COVID-19 in prison populations in the US. An attorney of the selector also raised similar concerns and also made an application for him to be released based on his medical status as a diabetic, which makes him particularly vulnerable during the current COVID-19 pandemic.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.